Hello guys and welcome in Binary Options. Today I will show you the way how to make money online with Binary Options 60 seconds. It's a simple strategy based on mathematical steps and it's really good way to make money. I'm trading almost 2 weeks now and I get from $200 I deposited I made over 3,000. You can see online balance over here and on the first day when I invested $200 I made $300 on top of them. So you'll see the system works really great and you can get really good money. So first of all, under the video you'll see the link for the trading platform and you have to choose 60 seconds because our system works on a 60 seconds. What is good about this system? All the investment expires in 60 seconds. That means that all monies or profits can be done in 60 seconds. That makes you 1 hour work or 2 hour work. You can make about $200 or $500 easily. But all you have to do is just follow the system. So first of all, 60 seconds. Then you'll see the chart over here. It's a Euro USD chart, currency chart. And as you see, the chart is going up and down. And all you need to do is just predict where the chart will go up. Then you press call. If it will go down, press put. Here you can choose the investment. And you can get 73% in 60 seconds. That's from $5, it's $8.65. So let's check it on the real time. You see my balance over here and we can check how much money we can make in just few minutes. And what else? The system. System consists of the steps as I said before. The first step is $5 trade. Yeah, you have to start as little as $5 and you will see you will get big profits. So the first step is $5. If you will win that, you'll get $8.65 back. That's $365 on top in 1 minute. If you lose that, you move up to $15 trade and it makes $25.95. With the previous bet 5, it's anyway you'll get a profit of $5.95. The next bet, if you lose that one, is 25 and next is 50. It's not getting down more than 50, so don't be scared and just watch my system now. So let's check it out and put $5 trade. Of course you can start with the bigger stakes, but I suggest you start with the small $5 and you will see it's enough to make the monies. When you put the first investment, you will see the line over here underneath. It's green or red. If it's green, we are in good position and we are getting payout. If it's red, we are losing that position. But don't worry if it's going red, because as I said before, it's a step system. You got a few steps behind you that will generate the profits. So 20 seconds left. Let's wait a bit. And one more important thing. The trading is closed during the weekend because this chart, the currency pair Euro USD and all other charts are on real time and works with the Forex money exchange, and it is closed during the weekdays. So Saturday, Sunday you can't trade because all stock exchanges and Forex and brokers are closed. So as you see, we won this trade and we get a profit of 365. That's straight. That went straight to my account over here. Actually, I want to lose 1 or 2 positions to show you how the next steps are generating all money back and the profit. So when we want that trade, we have to move again to $5 trade and start all over again. That's the all trading. You just have to put the investment, wait 60 seconds. That's it. Really simple. And have to choose the direction. Of course, you can change any other um, currency pairs as you see here. Also some stocks and gold, but I prefer this one. It doesn't matter which you're using. So it's green at the moment. It's looking good. So let's wait for another 20 seconds. It's really simple, and if you got 1 or 2 hours a day, you can get about two, three, $500 easily. So in a month's time, you can get around 6, 10 grand. But all you have to do, just follow the system and don't go in panic. Don't put big bets. Start with $5 trade, and yeah, we want that as well, and we get another 365. Let's start with the 5 again. It's looking good as well. Also, you can check online about the particular currency pair. There is a lot of resources that are making predictions, and also the news affect the currency flow as well. So it might be helpful and can lead for more profits as well. 2 seconds left. Yeah, we got that as well. So you see, in just 3 minutes we made 12 dollars, almost $12. So yeah, you can see over here. So it's a really good system and the way how to make money, and really fast. And what else? You can take money out whatever you like, even if you invest $200, and I think that's the minimum there. And if you try just few steps and make a few books, you can take all your money back straight away. So I hope you like this video, and give me likes and join the club. So see you guys. Goodbye.